Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox the ATMEET hat. Now, why am I doing a hat? Well, this is a wide brim hat that is 50, what do they call it, MPS? Anyway, it's supposed to be really good at taking care of not getting your head and neck and face sunburned. Okay? SPF, that's it, 50 SPF, but they also have two solar fans that also operate on battery in case it's, not all that sunny out. So this is really exciting. I took it out of the Amazon box, but I haven't opened up this box yet. So you and I are going to both be surprised and see what's in here. I'm actually kind of excited about this because I'm going to be using this outside for gardening when I mow, because I have an electric mower. So I do have earplugs, but that's only because I'm anal. But we're going to also use this when I go out on excursions. So, because I do sweat a lot. So hopefully this will help take care of that. So let's go. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, look at that. Okay, we have, let's open this up so everybody can see. We have one solar fan, one wide brim hat, boing. Ooh, a charging cable, two charging cables, and it does have a strap for a, what do you call it, a chin strap, and it has a little cinch here that I did read on a lot of reviews that the hat is either way too big or way too small. I guess they don't know about the cinch. So we're going to test that out. I also heard that with the... Oh, wait a minute. Was the other... Uh-oh. Well, that's not good. I might have to send this back. Oh, but it does say here, if the fan is damaged or missing, so evidently, this happens a lot. Please contact us, and we will provide you with instructions or send you a new one for free. Okay. But it doesn't say how to get in touch with them. I guess you go back onto Amazon and you contact them that way. Well, when we get, okay, this has never happened before, but when I get this back, the second one back, I'll tell you how things went, and we'll finish up the unboxing. Bummer. Okay, now that we have... Wait a minute. For continuity, I think I'm wearing the same shirt that I wore when I videotaped this last time. Trying to keep continuity here. Okay, did get the fan back. Not a big deal. Just went to Amazon and then the ATMEET store and kind of told you what to do, and I went and emailed them. Put in a complaint, concern, and I got a new fan. So just had to wait a little bit, but I got it. Okay. Oh, and by the way, when I did get this, the box was a little buggered up when I got it. However, when I opened it up, everything seemed perfectly fine. No scratches, no dents, no damage. These are not overnight things, by the way. I don't know if I said this in the last video, but when you buy it on Amazon, it does take about a week for it to get to you, because I think they ship it directly from wherever it's made, which is, I think, China. Let's see, made in China, yes. So it is China. But to go over things again, we got the 2 charging cables. We got the 2 fans. Again, I'll go ahead and charge those up for you and be right back. Hopefully you can see that. When it's charging up, it is red. And then when it's done, it's green. Now that both fans are charged up, it's actually very easy to put these in. All you do is, if you notice, the little clips here are offset. They're not exactly in the center. And also the pins are offset. They're not exactly in the center. That's so you know not to put them the wrong way. You gotta just pop them in. It does take a little bit of force. So it is a little nerve-wracking when you do it. I'm sure, because I can tell you that right now, because it is very nerve-wracking when I do it. So on the sides of the pins, push down. There we go. And the cool thing is when you turn these, because of the way they're designed, you can see these little, maybe you can't see it, I'm not sure. These little rivets on here. Well, they line up with these little rivets, and they create kind of a detent. So they're not just flopping all over the place, which is kind of neat. So we're going to go ahead and put the second one in. Whoops, almost messed up already, look at that. Again, from the sides. That was not all the way in. There we go. Awesome. And then you just take these peels off. Ding! And bing! And yeah, don't forget to take these off, because otherwise they won't work in the sun. It's just the way it is. There are 2 detents on here underneath. Can you see that? I think you can. So you have battery go up, and that is solar. Now, we'll tell you from the reviews that I saw, these have to be in direct sun for these to work. And I mean absolute direct sun. So what a lot of people have done is they switch one up to battery, and they take the other one and they switch it down. I'm sorry, up for solar. I apologize. Up for solar, down for battery. It does have BAT on the bottom here for battery. And then this little button on the side, that gives you the different speeds. There are 3 speeds. 1, even 1 throws a little bit of breeze, which is nice. 2. Well, that throws a lot. 3. Oh, that's good. That's going to feel nice. Now another thing, let me turn this off. Oh, that was easy. So 1 push is level 1, level 2, level 3, and then off. And one thing that I was also taught is, if you see, this is where the tag is, and it's designed to be like this, so that the fans blow on your face. You kind of move them to where you want them, and they blow on your face. However, and I can see now, it's not that heavy at all, because these are actually pretty light, but I can see after so much time, it could crank your neck down, and that's a little uncomfortable. But what I've seen some people have done is they simply turn it around. Oh yeah, that's a lot more comfortable. And the fans blow on the back of your neck, which which is where I sweat a lot at anyway. So I think I'm gonna like that. Well, let's go out and test this thing out. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna again put one on fan on low. The other one I'm gonna keep on solar. And I did hear that the solar, when it hits it, it's actually less RPMs than on low setting on battery. So just keep that in mind. So it's going to be a very, very slight breeze, but it's going to work. So when the battery runs out on 1, which should be in a few hours, then they just take the hat off. They switch the one that was on battery. They put that on solar, and they put the one that was on solar, and they put that on battery on low, and they said it lasts them the whole day, and it's very comfortable. And of course, with the heat vents in the hats here, the top of the hat, that will also help disperse the heat from your head, which is nice. All right, let's go test this thing out. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So that's in the sun. And it is direct sun. Go into the shade. And it stops. So it does work. Pretty decent. Okay, let's put it on my head and give it a workout. Okay, I will tell you, this does not keep you from sweating. However, it definitely does help keep things a little cool. Now, I do have one fan, like I said, running on battery, and the other one that is running completely on solar. And this one, it is funny, when it is, like when I'm walking, or when I was on the lawnmower, when I was turning, I could feel it hitting my neck very lightly, but I could feel it. So yes, it's not, when it's running off for solar, it's not like having it even on low. It's a little bit below low. So from what I've read, that is correct. But you can feel it come on. The one that I had on low, as I'm going on, oh, I'm in the shade. as I'm going on, I did realize for me, I have to turn it up to medium at least. So, let's see, I've been working maybe about 2 hours outside, getting ready to go back in. I am starting to sweat, but normally I'd be sweating in about 15 minutes. so this definitely does help. And I will tell you also with the braces that you saw, the plastic braces, this does say it is hand clean only. So you cannot put it in the washing machine. Although, unless there's some sort of, how do I say, coating that's on top of this thing that helps it be SPF 50. Somebody's back there trying to show off their engine, their vehicle. Anyway, that unless there's some sort of coating on it, you might be able to put this thing after you take the motors off, of course. But you might be able to put this in your your dishwasher. Because I do have hats that I do put in the dishwasher, like my old veteran's hat and things like that, that has this little holder, and it does really good. So I'm wondering if this thing gets really dirty and I can't clean it by hand anymore, I might put it in the dishwasher and try it out, but I'm not going to do that for a little while yet. Also, when you do have this on, and I doubt very much it's going to matter if it's front way or back way like I'm wearing it now, that there is a slight whine that you do hear, of course, because there's fans. So for those who are sensitive to sound, try it, but you might not like it as far as that goes. But I tell you what, I put up with a little bit of whining, then have my neck roasting. So I'm going to keep it. But I hope you like this little unboxing and demonstration. In addition to this, I am possibly going to be getting one of those portable fans that blows up the shirt and see how that goes as well. So stay tuned for that. But as always, have a great day.